Snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm a king. The wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good man you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It'll rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. The perfect man is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. Don't stop believing. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Hey guys, Anthem Lights here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our cover of Let It Go. Hope you enjoyed it. We had a great time making it. Hope you had a good time watching it. I want to tell you about a cool opportunity I had. I had the chance to be in a film called The Song. If you get a second, please check that trailer out. It's going to be in this general area while they're talking. So watch that.
So Let It Go is up on iTunes. Be sure to go check that out.
That's right. And we're also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We love to interact with you guys on the social networks. So come say hey.
Make sure you check